Hi, good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon. Good afternoon. We'll wait for others.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello.
हाँ तृप्ति बोलो.
Yeah. So now Rajesh Ringre is only left, na?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. She came. She came. 1 second.
Okay.
1 second, na? Yeah. So now we all are there. Can we just on our cameras? I'll just take a pic.
Yeah.
You all can do so at your end. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm recording it.
Yeah. To me too. Do remove your hand. Remove your hand. Mansi, on your camera. Mansi. Mansi and Rajeshri.
We both have,
Camera is on only.
yeah.
But you can't be, you are not able to see. Rajeshri, can you see them?
Yes, I can. I have
Yeah,
recorded
I
it.
can see both of them, but I am not seeing you.
See,
I
you
can
can,
see them
now you
now.
can see me.
Yeah, now you
Yes.
are good. Yeah, now
Yeah,
you are
but
good.
I cannot see both is 1 second.
Everyone is there.
Everyone is there, no? Okay. So, okay, so shall we start now?
Yes,
Yeah.
I'll start now.
Yeah, 1 second.
So, good afternoon, everyone. So, today for the legal aid topic, I wanted to select a topic which actually mattered to all the people. It is not easy for someone who has experienced such a thing at some level in their life. There is not one single friend who hasn't had such a memory of sexual abuse in her life around us. This case is about groping a minor with clothes on, not sexual assault under POCSO Act. That if there is no skin to skin contact, then it does not amount to sexual assault. Here in this case, the women judge called it a minor offense and cancelled the punishment under POCSO, but decided to punish under IPC and called it just molestation. Majority of the public have been deeply affected by it. Around 109 children are sexually abused every day. The trauma remains for a lifetime. Imagine your relative touching you. It affects us now, and we are capable of letting it go. But children are not capable of controlling their emotions. So, this case was there in Nagpur. और यहाँ पे क्या हुआ था? Wait, I'll share. I have sent you a PDF, a Word document. You can open that, or I will share here also. Can you see?
Yeah, we can see.
Okay. So
Yes.
you guys might have seen these news articles about skin to skin contact, and this case was back in 2016 when on 14 December 2016 at around 11:30 a.m. this 12-year-old girl, here we will call her Lakshmi, okay, so she went to bring gawa and she did not return home for a very long time, and her mother went to find her. Then one another female was there. She was a neighbor who is also a witness in this case. There are total 5 witnesses in this case, and this witness told the mother that ये Satish Regde had taken her to his house. So इसने सतीश रगड़े को उसका घर बताया कि यहाँ पे वो रहता है, and the mother went there to find her daughter. She kept calling her daughter's name, that is Lakshmi. Okay, the original name I have not taken. And so the mother searched the ground floor and then she proceeded to the first floor. The room was bolted from outside. उसने घर दरवाजा खोला और उसकी बेटी वहां पे 12 साल की बेटी थी, वो रो रही थी. तो बेटी ने उसकी माँ को बताया कि सतीश ने उसका निक्कर निकालने की कोशिश की और she was pressing her breast and he was pressing her breast. Okay, so both mother and daughter went to the police station. अब इसमें 3 चीजें आई कि एक तो किडनैपिंग, एक है आउटरेज मॉडेस्टी और रॉन्गफुल कन्फाइनमेंट. अंडर आईपीसी ये 3 सेक्शंस लगे और पॉक्सो के अंदर एक सेक्शन है सेक्शन 8, दैट इज पनिशमेंट फॉर सेक्सुअल असॉल्ट. अब ये हुआ ट्रायल कोर्ट में. ट्रायल कोर्ट से फिर वो हाई कोर्ट में ये जब इसने अपेलेंट को ये सब उसने डिनाई किया तो यही चीज अभी हाई कोर्ट में आई एंड हाई कोर्ट ने जो डिसीजन दिया जिससे मीडिया में पूरा ये इशू हाईलाइट हो गया. ओके, सो व्हाट द हाई कोर्ट सेड वाज दैट if there is a skin to skin touch then only it can be a sexual assault, and इसलिए हाई कोर्ट ने पॉक्सो हटा दिया. ठीक है, पॉक्सो हटा दिया और उसमें उन्होंने क्या बोला कि ये सिर्फ एक माइनर ये है, माइनर ऑफेंस है. ठीक है, जब उसने माइनर ऑफेंस बोला तो ये जो लाइन है, ये पूरी लाइन पूरे मीडिया में सब जगह चलनी चालू हो गई, वायरल. ठीक है, सो एक सेकंड. उसके बाद फिर ये जो जज थी वो खुद एक वुमन थी और उसने क्या किया, पहले टेस्टिमनी लेने के लिए 2 सवाल थे. एक तो वेदर द नेबर एंड द मदर इज आर सेइंग द सेम थिंग, तो ये फाइंड आउट हुआ कि दोनों सेम चीज बोल रहे हैं कि और उसके बाद जो मदर और डॉटर थी अभी उनमें एक डिफरेंस निकला था, ये कि जो बेटी थी she was saying that the man tried to remove her knicker and the mother was saying that it was a salwar. Okay, so these 2 differences were there, and then in the case the judge found out that the daughter was had the habit to say knicker to whatever she wears below, so इसलिए ये वाला निकल गया क्वेश्चन whether the salwar and knicker is different, and in the end they both were same. तो testimony हो गई ये दो questions की. But after that the main question was will pressing of breast and attempt to remove salwar fall within the definition of sexual assault? अब sexual assault क्या होता है? Sexual assault में necessary ingredients are that there has to be a sexual intent, then that has to involve a touching, and there should be a physical contact without penetration. और ये सारी चीजें इस एक्ट में थी, ठीक है. तो पॉक्सो क्यों एप्लीकेबल नहीं था, उसके लिए जज ने ये बोला कि जब ऐसे स्ट्रिंजेंट पनिशमेंट होते हैं, लाइक अगर पॉक्सो लगता तो अराउंड 5.5 years का पनिशमेंट होता, बट पॉक्सो निकलने के बाद उसको सिर्फ 1 साल 1 year and 6 months का पनिशमेंट हुआ. तो जो मेजॉरिटी पब्लिक है वो गुस्सा हो गई कि इतनी मतलब जो वल्नरेबल ग्रुप होता है हमारे कंट्री का, लाइक द चिल्ड्रन, दे आर नॉट सेफ, एंड उनको हम सेफ्टी छोड़ के उन्हें हम और इसमें डालते हैं. तो दिस एक्ट एक्नॉलेजेस द स्पेशल वल्नरेबिलिटी ऑफ चिल्ड्रन एंड दैट स्पेशल प्रोटेक्शन अबव एंड बियॉन्ड दैट प्रोवाइडेड इन आईपीसी. तो आईपीसी था पहले से ही, बट आईपीसी के अलावा पॉक्सो इसलिए आया क्योंकि आईपीसी में कुछ लूप होल्स थे, वो लूप होल्स कवर करने के लिए पॉक्सो आया, और अभी पॉक्सो का ही डिसीजन नहीं लिया जा रहा है, और वापस आईपीसी में जो लूप होल्स थे उसी का यूज करके वापस उन्हें छोड़ दिया जा रहा है. सो देयरफॉर इफ सच एन इंटरप्रिटेशन इज फॉलोड, देयर इज अ थ्रेट दैट द पॉक्सो एक्ट इन इटसेल्फ माइट बिकम रिडंडेंट, as a wide range of sexually violative activities would be excluded from its ambit due to lack of skin-to-skin contact. Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, we hear you. Hello.
हाँ, तो अभी conclusion
इको हो रहा है.
हाँ, हेलो.
या
हाँ, तो यही केस है, फैक्ट्स यही था, और अभी जजमेंट में ऐसा क्वेश्चंस तो बता दिया मैंने आपको, क्वेश्चंस की इट वाज अबाउट सेक्सुअल असॉल्ट एंड वेदर पॉक्सो शुड बी देयर और नॉट, ये 2 क्वेश्चंस थे. और जजमेंट ऐसा आया कि पहले जो ट्रायल कोर्ट था उन्होंने 5 years and 6 months का दिया था पनिशमेंट, एंड देन द हाई कोर्ट गेव only 1.5 year, and right now the present condition is that this case is again going to the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court has put this case on stay. Okay, so what are your views
Okay.
about that, whether POCSO should be applied or not?
In my opinion, I think structure is already there in the, circumstances in many places. So I think it should be applied. Why? Because in that does it has some penal IPC punishment also in FOXO?
POCSO is different and IPC is different. Both were applied together, but then POCSO पूरा हटा दिया, सिर्फ IPC के रखे, जो है outrage modesty, kidnapping और ये confinement, बस ये 3 चीजें रख दी है.
But in IPC, that is a punishment part. But does if IPC was not there, only FOXO was there, then in that case, FOXO also had a punishment in that
Yes, POCSO has a stringent punishment for such types of thing with minors. सीधा
with
उसको 5
minors.
years का हो जाता.
Okay, so in that case, I think FOXO should be there because IPC definitely, as you said, there is loopholes, and not only in this particular section, but in many sections there are loopholes. So for just a substitute, I think that should also be there, because if that is not stopped right now, then because of these things, if because of not having a stringent punishment, there are many people who are just are doing more and more sort of crime, okay, which is going and it on a regular basis. So I think that should be there. What is the rest of the opinion? Rest,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, so I think POCSO Act should be applied, and definitely if the judge is saying there is no human touch or human body touch between two, then also, but mens rea is present. I mean, his intention was clear behind pulling off her clothes, I mean her knicker or salwar, whatever. Second thing, he has touched her breast, which she felt it in wrongful manner, and she was a child. So therefore, POCSO is definitely to be applied, and it is the discretionary power of the court that the court should understand between the thin line between the two things, whether the POCSO shall be applied or not. But just if somebody is wearing a hand gloves, and if he is doing something sexual assault on a child, then do you think it is fair to not apply POCSO Act? So I don't think so. Mens rea should be taken into consideration. Definitely, he has intention and he has knowledge too. And she is a child. And in India, due to this mentality, people are getting the justice is not carrying in our judiciary part, and definitely no justice is bringing into our system. So POCSO should be there, and rest of the things, kidnapping, yes, kidnapping was there, and her modesty, yes, he has outraged her modesty, and many other IPC, they are fine. But relating to POCSO, yes, there should be a POCSO. So this is my opinion.
And me too also agree with this.
Basically, I just again coming back to the case. The question here was whether she had worn, or the question was whether she had worn a nicker, what a pet gown type, or a salwar kameez. That was the question. Am I right, Rajeshri?
Yeah,
But that was
yeah.
solved by the court that वो बच्ची थी ना, वो उसको आदत था कि नीचे जो भी पहनो उसको वो निक्कर बुलाएगी, तो वो सॉल्व हो गया कि निक्कर मतलब उसका मतलब था सलवार है करके ऐसा.
There are many omissions and negligence. See,
Yes.
this can be neglected. This part can be neglected. But the main thing is mainly whether
Yes.
the intention was wrong or not. He
Wrong.
has
Right,
committed such thing or
committed
not.
such thing. And that's what I was coming up. But even if this point was taken into consideration, but the other parts, matlab, for example, out of 100, at least if we neglect 10% of it, then to 90% he was wrong. That means he had the intentions this Rajeshri Ingre rightly said he had wrong intentions. That is a mens rea. Secondly, he had taken her to somewhere, a place which is not known to that girl, right? Am I right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, right.
Yeah. Right. So secondly, and not knowing their parents. So that means that also is taken. That also can be understood. He had some wrong intentions. Plus the outraging her modesty. Why? Because she's a minor girl. So definitely all this pointers point out that he had a wrong intention, and if he would have not stopped at particular stage, he would have done more worse than this. Am I right?
Yes.
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 So that is also one point which we can think of if before doing anything, it is still lying in the court, right? This hello.
Yes, it has gone to Supreme
Yes.
Court and it is on stay right
Yeah.
now.
But what is the
Yeah.
issue?
One more thing I would like to bring.
Yes.
The accused was not a juvenile, first of all. So it was not like a childhood love, or they were acquainted somewhere. So
Yes.
he was a major person. He had
39
a
years
knowledge.
old.
He has a knowledge. If I take this girl and keep her in a room or whatever unknown place and do this sexual assault, then there are restrictions. There is a law. There is a strict law. People will hit me, or the police will take into custody. I will get a jail. So he has a complete knowledge. So
Yes.
mens rea, intention and knowledge cannot be never ever ignored, and POCSO should be there. POCSO should be applied.
Yes. The also problem here was that now IPC has been applied. It is a minor offense. So the other people who are there like around us, they will also think that हाँ if अगर अभी हम करेंगे क्या होगा, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 1 साल जाएगा. And in this 1 year, like he is not getting any punishment at all. At all, he was on bail, and right now the decision has come, and he is outside only. और and then लास्ट में जो अभी जजमेंट दिया है उसमें ये बोला है कि जजमेंट के टाइम उसने जितना सहा है उसमें उसका पनिशमेंट माफ हो गया. So now after 5 years, this was in 2016, and the punishment now is of 1 year only. He has got no punishment now. He is open.
So now the stay has been removed. Means this case is yet lying in the Supreme Court, or it has the judgment has been passed.
No, it is on stay in the Supreme Court. The judgment is of the High Court.
The judgment is
हाँ,
of the
और वो जज के ऊपर भी ये हुआ है, मतलब उसका भी इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है, उसके ऊपर इंक्वायरी बैठा है, द लेडी जज. एंड या सो जब ट्रायल होगा तब पता चलेगा एक्चुअली व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन दैट केस एंड व्हाट नॉट.
See, in many cases now, as per except for Nirbhaya case and the other Jyoti Pandey case, see these were very to the extreme level. So, what does the court will think? They will think ki one chance because it's an every time the criminal gets relief in this particular thing because our our Indian laws are not that much to that level कि it can give a stringent opinion or stringent judgment to because it gives a second chance to all the criminals. So my thing, it has gone to the Supreme Court and gone on stay. Of course, there should be and of course there must be stringent rules for this to stop somewhere. But still I feel कि what the government will think कि why not giving us a second chance to improve, because that is what is lacking in our country. And because it has not gone to that severe level. Am I right, Rajeshri?
Yes, right.
Yeah.
Yeah. So maybe the court will think कि in 5 years or 7 years, whatever, or in 3 years, they will definitely release him on bail or something like that. Because our country laws are lacking behind in this particular part. That is what you call as a loophole. This is what the loophole is, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is what the loophole hill is, because if this man, when if see everybody gets a chance, so the court always thinks like that. But who knows ki if he does the second time, or if he goes further, or he does the same thing. But that prediction we cannot make. But it is the nature of a man कि once done he will never stop. That we know. We being a woman, we all are saying of the same opinion that we definitely there should be postpo. Definitely there should be a stringent rule. Definitely this should be there. Why? Because this is a wrong. This is something wrong. But what about the severe cases which had happened? In that cases also at some level, people have now you must be knowing the Hathras case, na? I mean.
Yeah.
Yeah, in that case also, it was so severe. Then too, he was being left, right? Am I right?
Yeah.
The accused was not being punished to a severe level. So in that case it has not accused to a severe level. So in this case, I don't think so the Supreme Court will go to that level. But here the question, of course, the POSCO should be there or not, as Rajeshri said. Of course, it should be there because that is something which gives a relaxation to a woman. Ki saying or a girl or a minor, ki at least something is there, then nothing better than nothing. Am I right?
Yeah, yeah. There is something that you rightly said, Tripti,
Yeah,
that
yeah,
accused get bail and the court thinks that he should be get a second chance so that he can yeah, repent himself and be a good guy in the society, and he will not repeat that thing again.
right.
But when the case will come again into the lower court for trial, and when the decision will come, and if by chance he is getting convicted, then the judge must consider that even though he is acquitted or he is convicted after let's suppose say he got 7 years jail, 3 years jail, 2 years jail. After that also the court should consider him as a keep a surveillance on him
Yeah,
that
that is.
he is behaving good. He is not repeating anything. And if he
But that
does,
is not possible,
That is
yeah.
the part possible, and the second is that is only the loophole that where we are lacking behind, because the survey our our overall the management of the country, I can say, I will not say that actually
It's
the
totally corrupt.
yeah, corrupt,
no,
but
Everyone
no,
is
no.
corrupt.
Actually,
yeah,
Yeah,
I cannot
actually, in
find
some
it on
cases,
one department, but overall department there is, because they feel like so many cases are there already lying in the Supreme Court, already lying in the High Court. Why we'll give so much weightage to this particular case? This is what the
correct.
thinking is,
Yes, everyone
right?
is
Yeah,
focused
but
on the promotions.
if yeah, you are rightly said. But this is the change we actually want to.
We need,
Uh,
yeah.
yeah, we need that change right now. So that's why I told कि whenever वो जब केस आएगा लोअर कोर्ट में और जब डिसीजन जब भी प्रोनाउंस होगा
Hmm.
तो that accused must be acquitted or convicted on a condition that after 7 years of jail
Hmm.
वो जब भी बाहर आएगा सो ही मस्ट बी ऑन लाइक पेरोल कि अगर 15 साल में 10 साल में उसने कोई कोई क्राइम नहीं किया तो अगेन वो अच्छी तरह से जी सकता है सोसाइटी में ही इज नॉट थ्रेट टू सोसाइटी बट अगेन एनीथिंग ही डज देन उसको अगेन जेल में जाना पड़ेगा और अगेन 7 साल का उसका रिगरस इम्प्रिजनमेंट उसको होगा
Right.
Yes.
Like there should be something that will, deter to this criminals to doing such a crime, because we are seeing minor cases which are been increasing in the country. We are also seeing not only minor, but there are many cases, right, from molestation, from outraging the modesty in not only offices, commercial premises, but in the lower community also we see so many cases coming up every day you go on daily hunt, there is one or the other case, even in this lockdown situation also. Am I right?
या
Yes.
Yeah, so it is a really pity thing that we are not taking actions on this. But I don't know, somehow our system is lacking by behind in
Actually, our
this
system
particular,
is not
not
looking for
looking
this or
behind
thing.
that. But we
Yeah,
can
because
also
there are
take
two sides of the coin. Sometimes the
Our
cases has been
system is
filed.
totally weak.
No, no, no. That is system is weak. Why? Because the cases, some cases have been filed in a revenge.
right.
वो
Yeah, that
आधी
Yeah.
केसेस
also.
फॉल्स होती है तो
हाँ.
हाँ, उसमें
जज
समझ
को
में नहीं आता है एक्चुअली.
या ओनली ट्रायल कैन गिव अ प्रॉपर जस्टिस
Justice,
अभी
yeah.
तो ये बहुत इनिशियल स्टेज में है कि भाई स्टे हो चुका है ऊपर और उसको बेल नहीं मिल रहा है असली
Hmm.
पूरा हिस्ट्री उसका तब निकलेगा जब वो ट्रायल में आएगा
ख्याल
क्या
में आएगा।
हुआ है
हाँ.
या और चीजें ट्रायल में कुछ चीजें जो जैसे रहती है रेप रहता है 376 77 रहता है या फिर विमेन के अगेंस्ट कोई भी ऑफेंस रहो 498 रहो कि उस चीज में एक्यूज छूट जाते हैं व्हाई बिकॉज देयर इज नो कैमरा कोई हमें सर्विलियंस नहीं कर सकता है कोई
एविडेंस
देख नहीं सकता है
प्रूफ
एविडेंस
नहीं
नहीं
रहता
एविडेंसेस
है एक्चुअली
मैनिपुलेट
ये
किए
सब
जाते हैं, एविडेंसेस मैनिपुलेट किए जाते हैं, एट द एंड टाइम एवरीथिंग इज, you must have seen this Hathras case only, so many
या
things were
Hmm.
manipulated, and the accused, he had some power, or whatever you can say, so somehow he got he got relief from that particular thing. But how what is the calculation, who is on hand after doing such a severe crime, which we feel that, and reporters and everything staying there in the night and whatnot chaos they done. We have seen everything. Then too in that
या
case also, and it was a very that I am I feel very pity that that girl should have gone through in that whole scenario, and nobody is there to help her. So in such cases, definitely, as Rajeshri said, कि there should be something, but that change should be brought now, or I don't know when, but it is required in everywhere, everywhere. In not only like women are at times nowhere safe, not in home,
yes.
not in college, not in school, not in their with their mother, with their parents. So what is it that is lacking? That is the
But
question.
sometimes it's a lack of not education also ना
Yes, yes,
बच्चों को knowledge देना चाहिए like
right,
what is good touch and what is bad touch
right,
because बहुत बहुत टाइम पे ना बच्चों को पता नहीं रहता और वो बोलते भी नहीं है लाइक पेरेंट्स हो गए किसी को वो कुछ बताते नहीं अगर उनके साथ ऐसा होता भी है
और बताते
तो
भी
ये
तो
उनको
उनको चुप किया जाता है.
पेरेंट्स ही उनको ये नॉलेज देनी चाहिए एक्चुअली मेरे ख्याल से तो बिकॉज
हाँ.
जब भी ये होगा
hmm,
बिकॉज
right,
बहुत सारे बच्चे आई थिंक वो टीनेजर होने के बाद भी वो नहीं बोलते हैं, उनको लगता है कि नहीं ये उनकी गलती है।
अभी यहीं पे ये जो
या
औरत थी, ये अपनी
तो
बेटी को बोल सकती
मेरे
थी
ख्याल
कि
से
मत
तो
रो।
बच्चों को ये सेक्स का ये नॉलेज तो उनको प्रोवाइड करना ही चाहिए।
सेक्स एजुकेशन मस्ट देना
यस।
देना
या
चाहिए।
बिकॉज इंडिया में ये है ही नहीं, कोई नहीं देता। बिकॉज इतनी ये हमारी इंडिया सोसाइटी इतनी ये ऑर्थोडॉक्स है कि नहीं, बट लड़कियों से सेक्स की बात क्यों कैसे करें।
राइट।
अभी भी टाबू होता है ये सब चीजें
यस,
बात करना,
और ये
मतलब।
मेंटेलिटी इतनी, मतलब एजुकेटेड लोग लोग भी इतने ये है कि उनकी मेंटेलिटी सेक्स जब आता है वर्ड, तो वो इतनी पता नहीं अजीब ही सोचते हैं वो लोग कि क्यों देना लड़कियों को इतना,
हम्म।
मतलब क्या है।
हाँ।
अभी
उन्होंने
मानसी ने जो बोला है कि गुड टच और बैड टच, उससे मुझे एक केस याद आया जो मेरे पास है राइट नाउ। इफ यू गाइज वांट देन आई कैन शेयर यू द एफआईआर कॉपी ऑफ पोक्सो केस। सो एक केस है जहाँ पे 13 साल की लड़की है,
हम्म।
एंड वो साइन में अपने मॉम और डैड एंड एक छोटी बहन के साथ रह रही है। ओके।
ओके।
उसके उसके डैड और मॉम का लव मैरिज है, होता है इंटरकास्ट इंटर रिलीजन लव मैरिज है, और दोनों के एज में कुछ 10-15 ईयर्स का गैप है। बट देन टू दे वेर हैप्पी, थोड़ा सा झगड़ा होता था, ये वो होता था, ठीक है, फाइन। बट द लेडी, वन डे व्हाट हैपन, जो उसके लड़की के पापा थे, उनकी बुआ, इन मराठी आत्या बोलते हैं उसको,
राइट
हाँ
राइट।
हाँ हाँ।
आत्या का जो देवर था, तो वो घर पे आता था और
ओके।
गांव में वगैरह आता था। तो ही एंड द मदर were acquainted and they are in they were in relationship, a sexual relationship. तो उनका अफेयर चल रहा था बहुत सारे दिनों से। सो और जो लेडी थी वो गांव से आई हुई थी, तो जब वो मुंबई के जैसे शहर में आई तो शी फाउंड, आई मीन, फेम और ये सब लाइफस्टाइल,
या
अच्छा अच्छा सब कपड़ा, ये वो। सो शी बिकेम ग्रीडी कि मेरा जो पति कमा रहा है, मैं कमा रही हूँ, दैट इज नॉट इनफ।
हम्म।
सो एक दिन क्या हुआ कि एक वो छोटी लड़की बहुत रोते रोते अपने डैडी को सब बता रही थी कि डैडी, मम्मी कुछ ठीक बिहेव नहीं कर रही है, वो अंकल आते हैं घर में, मुझे गंदा गंदा हाथ लगाते हैं, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता है। तो ये चीज को लेके उसके पापा ने कंसर्न दिखाया, वो दोनों लड़कियों को लेके अपने छोटे भाई के घर पे चले गए। अभी पापा को बहुत कम चीजें वो लड़की ने बताई थी, बिकॉज उसको लगा कि पापा डांटेंगे या फिर उनको कैसे बताऊं, ये मेल है, फीमेल टू फीमेल वाली बात है ये। तो उसने अपनी आंटी को सब कुछ बताया, एंड दैट वाज अ वेरी शॉकिंग थिंग। उसने बताया अपनी आंटी को कि मम्मी 2-3 लोगों को अंदर लेके आती थी और बताती थी कि मैंने कॉकरोच मारने वाला दवाई अंदर डाला है घर के अंदर, बहुत तुम लोगों को तकलीफ होगा तो तुम वहां बाहर ही बैठो, बाहर के रूम में बैठो। और जो अंकल आते थे वो हमें चॉकलेट देते थे और हम लोग सो जाते थे दोनों। उसके बाद क्या होता था वी डोंट नो। और बाद में ये लोग 1-2 दिन में, मैं मतलब मैं जब नींद से उठी तो मैंने मम्मी को एक नेकेड आदमी के साथ नेकेड देखा था। और वो अंकल फिर बाद में आए और हम लोगों को भी ही टच माय ब्रेस्ट। और मेरी मम्मी उसको फोन पे एक बार बता रही थी कि तुझे अगर मेरी लड़की को टच करना है तो यू हैव टू गिव मी एक्स्ट्रा चार्जेस।
वाह।
मदर इज सेलिंग हर डॉटर
या
इन शॉर्टली। It's the
या
mentality problem. We can't do anything. There are many people, and
I feel ki there in this case also there is a no there may be some reason behind it. Why is she doing that? There may be intention,
greediness. She
greediness.
is,
Yeah, that's right. Greediness. There is a illiteracy. There is a less of education in the mind. There
and
is,
the
yeah,
attachment with the child.
attachment with the child is very less. So this all things has mattered in this case. What do you think?
या
Yes,
एग्जैक्टली, यू
So
सेड राइटली।
she can't be called like a mother if
yeah,
she is doing this.
she is doing this. Then she cannot be called right. Rightly said.
और
because
अभी ये केस का ऐसा स्टेज है कि उसका अभी तक चार्जशीट नहीं बना हुआ है और सबका टेस्टिमनी हो गया है, लड़की का टेस्ट, वो छोटी बच्ची का टेस्टिमनी हुआ है एंड 2 महीने पहले ही उसको पीरियड्स आए हुए, सो शी कैन अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज अ गुड टच एंड बैड टच। और सो वो बिल्कुल अपनी माँ का चेहरा भी नहीं देखना चाहती है, उसकी छोटी बच्ची भी उसको भी समझ में आ रहा है कि यार मैंने भी ऐसा देखा था मेरी मम्मी को किसी के साथ, सो शी इज नॉट गुड पर्सन और मेरे पापा को भी ये एक दिन ये करेगी वो करेगी, ऐसा करके वो बच्चों के मन में इतना गंदगी फैल गई है, सो शी इज टेकिंग साइकोलॉजिकल ट्रीटमेंट इन वन ऑफ एनजीओज।
ओके।
और जो मदर है, आई एम फ्रॉम, मतलब मैं फादर के लिए हूँ और मैंने उसको नोटिस भेजा था कि ये सब खत्म हो गया है ऑलरेडी, यू हैव बीन बुक्ड अंडर पोक्सो एक्ट, तो वैसे भी
ओके।
तेरा मतलब लाइफ खराब है, व्हाई यू आर कीपिंग दिस चिल्ड्रन एंड व्हाई यू वांट कस्टडी ऑफ योर डॉटर। नो नो, इफ आई, व्हाट शी सेड, यू नो, इफ आई टेक द डॉटर देन उसको बाप को मेरे को दुगना पैसा देना पड़ेगा ना।
so this is also, so this is an opposite case, which is what Rajeshri Joshi presented, and this is also somewhere, this is also a woman's being, doing such a crime. So whom to blame now? You tell me. So for sure must be there, but in whose case? In whose favor? Now we
कुछ कुछ
say
केस तो
कि
जिंदगी भर घर में ही होते रहते हैं लेकिन कोई बोलता नहीं।
बोलता नहीं है. So in whose favor it should be? It should, now here it comes to whether it should be in a, that act should be in men's favor or it should be in women's favor. So
पॉक्सो
this,
में
People don't have the
हम्म,
fear of the punishment, actually,
yeah,
frankly speaking. They don't have the fear. Because
yeah,
if people having money, so they think we will buy lawyer or judge and we can relieve.
yeah. Now means the mentality which is of a mother who we think we for us mother is something which is at the topmost
And
for us.
Rajeshri, these couples were love marriage, na?
Yes.
So after,
Unbelievable, actually.
but in many this also I've seen one two cases in before also. In I think he must be watching Southern India somebody. So in that I've seen this case, one more case of this. But it happens only I think in the places, in native places or in the village sides where there is more of kind of illiteracy and all that,
Yeah, lack of money also.
money, lack of money, everything, poverty and everything
Yeah.
is there. So in mostly, I don't think so such cases should you will find in the town side or city side. It is quite less. I don't know. Maybe I'm saying very less, but you find it very comparative to that area, comparatively to that area, the cities and the towns which are well educated, there you find such cases less, but you find some other cases more. Correct.
Yeah.
So this is the thing. Means overall, there is I don't know what we fight for women one side, and we find we are seeing these cases also. So
that is
whom
why
to blame? No.
education should be there for all the people. If
So this is
Human value, education, everything should be there. On education, educated लोग भी करते हैं. There are
Yes,
many
true.
people.
Yeah.
that's what I'm saying.
एक्चुअली प्रॉब्लम है मेंटेलिटी कंडीशन। कुछ लोगों की कंडीशन ठीक नहीं रहती जब भी वो क्राइम करते हैं।
हम्म या फिर पिछले कुछ सालों में उनके साथ जो हुआ है उसका इफेक्ट, बचपन कैसा उनका खुद का हुआ है उसका सब इफेक्ट वो अब दूसरों पे निकालते हैं।
हाँ।
Tell me one thing in this case, like have in Dubai, in Dubai and this Arab states, I mean
हम्म
everything, they have something called as executions. So
हम्म
Yeah.
in such cases, do we need to have such kind of stringent rules in our country too?
I don't think so. We need that execution type of, because rarest of rare cases, our Indian judiciary gives फांसी वाला
Thing.
punishment. Why? Because our Indian system, punishment system is based on 4 types. Like उसको retrospective है, उसके बाद deterrent है, और एक आदमी को अच्छा सोशल लाइफ जीने का अधिकार रहता है, बिकॉज आर्टिकल 14 सेज ऑल, 21 सेज ऑल, कि इवन दो ही हैज कमिटेड अ क्राइम, मे बी वो उसका मेंटालिटी वो टाइम में मेंस्ट्री या उसका क्रिएट हुआ हो इन एंगर, इन एंग्विश और समथिंग इन रिवेंजफुल मैनर, बट ही रिपेंटिंग, he is guilty, or he wants to live his life in a peaceful manner now, and he is not threat to society, then he can get a second chance. And second most of thing कि आधे तो केसेस झूठे रहते हैं, तो कोई जो
और उसके वजह से
इनोसेंट
दूसरे
है
लोग सफर करते हैं,
या
इनोसेंट है, वही एक्चुअली
इनोसेंट,
प्रॉब्लम है।
और दुबई में जो है एग्जीक्यूशन है, उसमें क्या होता है कि जो एक्यूज रहता है वो तो पनिश होता ही है, बट द विक्टिम इज आल्सो गेट पनिश्ड।
राइट।
अगर या अगर किसी के साथ बलात्कार होता है, रेप होता है, तो वो जो आदमी होता है उसको तो मतलब उसके आंख में एसिड डाल देते हैं, उसपे हाथ पैर काट देते हैं, बट वुमेन को तो बहुत गंदी सजा मिल जाती है, लाइक उसको कौड़े मारे जाते हैं, पत्थर मारे जाते हैं कि तूने अपना बॉडी क्यों दिखाया, ताकि सामने वाले आदमी को तूने अट्रैक्ट क्यों किया।
So this is also there.
Yes.
So what rules should come up which can stop all these things? एक तरफ एक बंद करने पे तो दूसरा हो जाता है। इन निर्भया केस ये बंद किया, फांसी की सजा रेयरेस्ट ऑफ रेयर केस में दिया, बट आफ्टर दैट more cases came up on with had this rape thing, and I think so in the country. Am I right?
Yes.
बहुत सारे केसेस में रेप में वुमेन को ही ब्लेम करते हैं, बिकॉज बोलते हैं कि इनके इसने ही कुछ किया होगा। लाइक
Obviously.
वो अगर किसी लड़के या आदमी के साथ ज्यादा थोड़ा फ्रेंडली हो रही है, तो मतलब उसका वुमेन का इंटेंशन खराब है। अगर कपड़े कम पहन रही है तो उसकी प्रॉब्लम है। मतलब सब चीज में वुमेन को ही ब्लेम करते हैं, बट ये नहीं बोलते कि आदमी की सोच खराब है।
करेक्ट कर, इवन ये मतलब कोर्ट में भी होता है, अभी क्या
हाँ
बोलूं,
वही
अच्छे अच्छे
कोर्ट में एक्चुअली
एडवोकेट लोग
रेप में तो वुमेन का कैरेक्टर बताते हैं, उसका
आधी केस
कै,
तो हार ही जाती है वो वुमन जब
हाँ
उसका पूरा कोर्ट के
उसका
सामने कैरेक्टर आप
कैरेक्टर का
दसते हैं।
कैलकुलेशन किया जाता है।
एग्जैक्टली।
अगर वो ड्रिंक कर रही है तो वो कैरेक्टर लेस हो गई। अगर लड़कों ज्यादा उसके लड़के फ्रेंड है तभी भी उसका कैरेक्टर खराब है। अगर वो लड़कों के साथ ही अकेले घूम रही है तो भी उसका कैरेक्टर खराब है। तो हर जगह पे वुमेन को ही ब्लेम करते हैं। इतने सारे बनाए हैं रूल्स वुमेन के लिए, फिर भी कुछ फायदा नहीं इनका। लाइक सेफ्टी सेफ्टी बोलते रहते हैं, लेकिन कहीं भी सेफ्टी नहीं है।
या
Rajeshri doesn't want to say anything on this.
I'm listening.
Joshi, Rajeshri
या
Joshi,
Yes.
what is your opinion now?
आई थिंक दैट ये जो मीडिया में जो केसेस घूमते हैं ना, उस पे फोकस तो है, सबका होता है, सब मतलब सारे चैनलों पे उस पे बातें होती है, बट जो एक्चुअल में लोकल लेवल पे हमारे आसपास जो बाजू के घर में क्या हो रहा है, ये सब हो रहा है, हमें दिखता है, वो सब पुलिस स्टेशन तक भी नहीं पहुंचते, ऐसे ही सेटलमेंट हो जाता है। यहाँ पे इस चीज के लिए क्या करना चाहिए, वो क्वेश्चन है मेन।
Now this is what I am trying to say कि ये हर केस जो अभी रिसेंट में हुए उसमें भी आउट ऑफ कोर्ट सेटलमेंट ही होते हैं।
होता है।
मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस में अपने देखे तो वहाँ वहाँ तक पहुँचता नहीं, बिकॉज दे एवरीबडी फियर्स ऑफ देयर रेपुटेशन, यू कैन से
हाँ वही लड़की बच्ची है, उसकी ये इमेज खराब होगी, बड़ा कैसे होगी, शादी होगी उसकी, तो वो सबके लिए तो
See,
एक रफ
even in many pictures, you can see this happening. Many recent pictures have come up with these stories. Ki this has happened with a kid, and this, many serials are there shows this. But still, everything is happening the same. You cannot stop. The accused gets, he is being released. He with somewhat settlement, what you can say a word or whatever you can say, but that is actually what is happening, which is lacking in our country, you can say.
Hmm.
So this is the thing is why outer countries are more which are more, their people are more kind of, liberal kind of thing, and they have they don't think, their mentality is different, is because of, mainly I can see, is education in all perspective, not only
Education and money also
money.
give me
Yeah,
importance.
and other thing is poverty also,
Yes,
population also, compared to other country, our country is lacking in all the perspective on whatever pointers we just said. So this is where we, and the main starts from corruption.
Yes,
yes,
right.
Yes.
Main base is corruption. So because of
एंड
this,
समटाइम्स सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जो जजेस होते हैं वो भी कभी कभी ऐसे जजमेंट दे देते हैं कि
हाँ,
yes,
मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि ये क्या बोल रहे हैं।
इंटरप्रिटेशन ही गलत होता है मतलब हमारी तरफ से।
जब तक
हाँ, एक केस
या
एक केस
कंटिन्यू।
है वहां पे शरद चंद्र बोबड़े साहब ने दिया था। एक केस था, रेप का केस, सेम रेप का केस। वहां पे एक इलेक्ट्रिशियन रहता है जो गवर्नमेंट सर्वेंट रहता है, और वो अपने डिस्टेंट एक रिलेटिव रहती है जो क्लास 9 की स्टूडेंट रहती है,
हम्म।
उसके साथ रेप कर देता है। तो उसको, उसके ऊपर रेप का केस चार्ज होता है और लोअर कोर्ट में एंटिसिपेटरी बेल के लिए चला जाता है वो, और ये ऑर्डर वो चैलेंज करने के लिए सुप्रीम कोर्ट तक चला जाता है। ठीक है, जब वो बेल मांगने के लिए जाता है तो सीजीआई बोबड़े व्हाट ही आस्क दैट अक्यूज, विल यू मैरी हर?
Oh yes,
yes,
I read about this.
या तो अ, तो उसने कहा कि नहीं यार, मैं तो ऑलरेडी मैरिड हूँ, तो मैं आई कैन नॉट मैरिड नाउ, आई कैन नॉट एज आई एम मैरिड। तो वो तो उसका डिफेंस था, वो क्यों मैरी करेगा? अगर उसको शादी करना चाहिए चाहता था तो इतनी छोटी लड़की के साथ वो ऐसा नहीं
हाँ,
करता है।
और शादी कर भी
और
लिया तो क्या
अभी
फ्री में हर रोज मिल गया ना उसको। दैट इज अ गिफ्ट टू हिम।
या और जजेस इतने स्मार्ट रहते हैं ना, वो एक सिर में दोनों निशाने मार देते। तो वो उसने क्या बोला, जो शरद चंद्र बोबड़े जस्टिस ने बोला है कि यू शुड हैव थॉट बिफोर सेड्यूसिंग एंड रेपिंग द यंग गर्ल, यू नो यू आर अ गवर्नमेंट सर्वेंट, वी आर नॉट फोर्सिंग यू टू मैरी, लेट अस नो इफ यू विल, अदरवाइज यू विल से वी आर फोर्सिंग यू टू मैरी हर। So this was the case.
this
I
was,
mean, I was shocked.
so in there are, you can see many cases which are coming, even if where I practice, there is also, there are many cases if I could say, but they don't come from the I from a lower society, as if now, as if now, which I have seen. I don't know about the higher societies also. There must be, definitely there will be, but what I am been seeing in my the advocacy firm is like they are mainly coming up from the lower class of the society. One two cases which I have, but it's really pity on a woman also, and at times in such case where woman is behaving such very differently, which normal than a normal woman, like it can be, will she can be called as normal? Will she be called as a normal person? So this is what the question herself. Then that is again one of the thing which can be really sad about the country. Am I right?
Yes,
yes.
yes. Okay.
आउटकम इज वेदर इंसान इंसान के लिए रह गया है कि इसी में अपनी जिंदगी गुजारना है। क्या ये कलयुग है और इसी को कलयुग कहते हैं? तो क्या यही होने वाला है आगे? फिर कैसे होने वाला है? क्योंकि वी कैन सी इन कोविड केस also, in वी हैव सीन many you heard many things coming up in COVID cases also, in COVID times also. So what is the outcome of it? Am I right?
Hmm.
Yes,
So
Yeah.
this is
Yeah.
really a pity thing. We also, we being advocates, we also have our limits. We cannot go beyond.
Yes,
Some
because we have this limited
we
limitation.
limitations and everything.
Yeah,
We can
because we are having seniors and then they are also having seniors, so we
yes,
cannot.
go beyond it. So even if we think it's what a crip act, उसको तो जैसे मार ही देना चाहिए, उसने कैसे किया है ये सब, ऐसा मन में इतना गुस्सा आता होगा सबको, am I right?
हाँ
Yes.
एक रॉन्ग
Yeah.
बिहेवियर के साथ
एक्चुअली सिमिलर पॉक्सो का ऐसे केस था, मेरी फ्रेंड थी, बेस्ट फ्रेंड, एंड दे आर फ्रॉम यूपी साइड।
हम्म
और वो उनके 5 बच्चे थे, लाइक उसको मिला के 5 भाई बहन थे, एंड शी मस्ट बी एल्डर वन। अब उसके जो डैड थे उसके साथ ही रेप्ड हर,
ओके
और एंड शी वाज नॉट अ माइनर, यू कैन कॉल अ टीनेजर, लाइक शी नोज एवरीथिंग, लाइक पीरियड आते थे। आई थिंक उसका फर्स्ट पीरियड आया था जब भी उसके डैड ने किया था उसके साथ, और वो एक बार नहीं लगातार 2-3 बार किया। उसने अपनी माँ को बोला तो उसकी माँ बोलती क्यों बोलना है, क्या करना है, इतने सारे बच्चे मैं कैसे संभालूंगी,
हम्म
तो तू भी मत बोल कुछ भी, तू चुप रह। फिर यही अभी वो कुछ बोली भी नहीं, और वो सेपरेट हो गई, उसके डैड के यहाँ नहीं रहती, वो कहीं और रहती है। बट वो हेटनेस जो है उस अपने लिए और उसके डैड के लिए, वो ऐसे है, वो हमेशा रहेगा। बट शी कांट डू एनीथिंग, बिकॉज उसका ये है कि अगर मैं बोलूँगी, मुंह खोलूँगी, तो मेरे भाई बहन जो है उनको मिल रहा है, मतलब एक ही बाप ही कमाता है उनके घर में, तो
तो
फिर उनका
ये
क्या
तो
होगा।
ये तो अलग हो गई, पर उसके फादर किसी और को करे उसका क्या?
उसको उसका नहीं, क्योंकि उसकी माँ ने उसका ब्रेन वॉश कर दिया ना,
हाँ
कि लाइक वो बड़ी है तो उसको भी देखना चाहिए। अगर ये मुंह खोली तो उसके बाद उसके भाई बहन भी सफर करेंगे, उनकी क्या गलती है।
हम्म
तो ये मेंटेलिटी है, एंड माँ एजुकेटेड नहीं है, तो वो
हम्म
चुपचाप सुन रही है या देख रही है।
जो लोग कोर्ट
वो
कभी
ऐसे
गए नहीं वो सोचते भी नहीं है कोर्ट के झमेले में क्या पढ़ना, बस।
एंड उसके डैड लॉयर है, फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग, आई मीन लॉयर है, ही नोस एवरीथिंग, ही नोस लॉ व्हाट इज हैव टू डू, बट
हाँ
देन आल्सो ही इज डूइंग विद दैट।
so this is again one of the again case. Now, coming back to Rajeshri's case. So Rajeshri, hello, Rajeshri is there?
यस आई एम हियर।
Rajesh. Yeah. So now coming back to her case. So it was like your answers, whatever you wanted. Have you got it?
यस आई डिड।
And to your opinion, now, what was your opinion?
I
Whether
want,
Poshpush,
yes, of course, I wanted POSCO to be there. It is not a minor offense according to me.
yeah, so we all think it should be this. And so the our opinion in whatever conclusion we'll write it down. So it will be like this only. He mostly whatever she said. Are you going to share this file also no, with us?
No, conclusions we can write off our own only. We can write what punishments can be given and everything. So it may be
No, no,
different.
not
It
that.
doesn't matter. Yeah.
No, no. The fact, the
I
issue.
have sent the file which I presented in WhatsApp. So it has the facts
Uh,
and what the judgment was.
okay, okay, okay.
And I also
So
sent
as per
the
we can write the
yes.
conclusion and our opinion and recommendation.
Yes.
So whatever we just now discussed about her case, I think it was really really a good case, and we should think about it further. And what does Rajeshri want to say? Hello.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What others want to say? Yeah.
So yeah, definitely we have on the same conclusion that POCSO should be applied. So and the Rajshri Joshi is also saying the same
Yes.
So that's
as
the
it.
question, no, whether it should be applied or not. Rajesh, or was there any other questions also?
No, I'll send you the questions if you want. Then you can write about it in brief if you want that too.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah. So
Okay.
whose it is
So,
tomorrow? Um,
sorry.
tomorrow it is Mansi, right? Mansi is doing it.
Yes,
Tomorrow.
me.
Yeah.
And for again for coming up for Friday's thing, anybody has thought about it?
Right now, I haven't thought about it. But till tomorrow, can we
Yes, we'll search a bit.
fix it up
Like,
to till tomorrow?
yeah, why? Because the Rajeshri, today, no, she also
Yeah.
has mentioned the cases I just like you discussed right now. Say
Hmm.
like on
Yeah.
the on those lines only. If you have any cases, we can add to the in your practical thing. So we can add for the Friday for 15. So and we can conclude then because something we have something on Friday. So if you have something, then definitely do that only because this is some topic which can be discussed more than an hour. It is more on and on. So the domestic violence cases, rape cases, they are like the days have many things we can talk about. Okay, so we think like that, but at times we think that something should be changed, something should be there, but somehow there are everywhere there are limitations, as I said. So we try also where the hurdles will be there. So even if we want to come together, we want to be there together, we think first priority of our family. What will happen if we do this, if that, or what will happen, what will be the consequences, what will be the impact, what will be the effect. So this all comes to mind. But then too, there are some people who don't think that they go beyond. So that is also one that is very rare. Of course, there are moments also which have gone beyond and had a positive opinion and a positive judgment towards a woman, but still we are lacking behind. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, right.
So we can conclude on this.
Actually, while posting there, they're having a fear of the society only.
Hmm.
That's it. Nothing. They just have the fear in the society.
Hmm.
So we can be
How society will treat them if they will take a step. What will happen after that?
They will not accept it.
right.
Hmm.
So in our opinion, in common just have we can add just have a common opinion on the same line. We can put it in our own words, but it comes with the quote. It should be there first of all. Second, conclusion.
Hmm.
And secondly, I think we can put it on the society must be must change, and the corruption should be very deep level should be vanished out because it is very difficult. But if with a certain level it can be decreased, then education must be there, must be there, literacy rate should be high,
Sex education, mostly for the children.
about the children and everything, and more stringent rules, something which is not which is something different. But what rules will be there that we should not mention over here because that we cannot. But there we add a point that there should be more stringent rules such cases and action should be taken. That's what we can conclude in
Yes.
diplomatic way.
Right.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah. So now I think it's 5:28, 2 more minutes, and then it will,
We can leave.
yeah.
Ajit, tell me how to make the report now, like what should we mention about the case?
So like as I said, there should be a cover page, and I think index is not necessary, na?
No.
The index is not. Cover page will be including like first name and legal aid case, the name of the case, which is in my file already, the name of the case and that issue and the judgment will remain the same. And below the judgment, we add our opinions just on the points which we discussed.
Okay.
And
Okay.
then the opinion, and you can, if you want to add a conclusion, there cannot be conclusions in this case. Right?
Yes.
Yes.
One case has
There
to
will
be
be
only 1 or 2 pages only. Okay.
Yeah, and there cannot be a conclusion because we cannot conclude in such cases. It's
Mm-hmm.
very difficult. New opinion in such cases.
Yeah.
So it's difficult. So within the opinion and recommendation, that's it.
Okay.
And so what I agree saying is, like
Mansi.
Mansi.
once more probably we will start at 8 o'clock and I'm there and go to office tomorrow.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Or in any once it changes, I will put it on to group. But I
Yes.
will that day on morning itself, I am okay present in our identity sheet. We have taken this also, we have taken the photos, so we have taken and we have recorded it also, right?
Yes. Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's also recorded. So today guys, I have everything, all the pointers have been written down and everything has been done. So we'll conclude. So it's all fine and we
Yeah.
have very nice discussion. So anything you want to say? So this is how the debate will come up. But actually, sir was also going to take us last year. Sir was there. What's his name? What's his name? I don't
Wankede
remember.
sir.
No, not Vadikare sir. The business last year in the fifth year.
Hasmukh.
Old man.
Hasmukh sir.
Hasmukh sir. He was also going to do some related thing and he was also going to ministers and everything. He was going to do
Mm-hmm.
some place. You had not got that. I was there. But somehow I think the corona thing started, so it stopped.
We
So
had
it was
this
again.
legal aid thing in our bachelor's. I was from here only, no? So we had this in the last year.
You had
Yes. We had clients
not
also
all.
that time. No, we didn't go. It was there in the college only.
It was there.
Yeah.
Sorry, you had attended it.
Yes, there were clients, so we used to do client counseling and all.
In a college itself.
Yes, ground floor. वो छोटा लाइब्रेरी जैसा है ना वहाँ पे.
Okay, so maybe I'm aware of it. I'm just there for
Yeah.
but लेकिन ये चीज है स्टडी करने के लिए लेकिन ये स्टडी तक ही सीमित रहता है.
हाँ, right.
इन रियल लाइफ नहीं आता है वाला.
Yeah.
बहुत साउंड होता है लेकिन क्या करें.
एक्चुअली मेन प्रॉब्लम है प्रूफ एविडेंस.
अभी हर जगह मोबाइल लेके घूमना पड़ेगा.
मैं ऑलमोस्ट प्रूफ एंड एविडेंस ही बहुत बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट रखता है उसको और किसी के ओरल पे नहीं देती है.
Yes.
लेकिन अगर एविडेंस और प्रूफ ही नहीं है तो केस वैसे भी हो जाता है ऑटोमेटिकली.
चलो देन.
Yeah, bye.
Hello. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye.